How do I create a mandala? Also, how do I project my thoughts, prayers, and affirmations on the mandala? Can you please do a mandala meditation for us, either as a guided meditation or as a script that we can follow? Well, that's really interesting. Um, this this section of the book is an interesting one because it's what I kept adding to. There are many things in this part, in this chapter, that I've only done once or twice, or I've done them years and years ago. Part of this chapter, I would literally wake up at 3 a.m. thinking, oh, I did that too. I did that mandala meditation. I should include it because I wanted to include everything I did. And to be really, honest and everything, I've done very few mandala meditations over the years. I studied at a Tibetan center for 3.5 years, and their mandalas were a big part of it. And we did reflect on them. I remember meditating on the mandala that the head lama, had on a tanka behind him. And there was a triangle, a pyramid in the middle. It was, as most mandalas are, is a square with an opening on each side, and within that, a full circle. And in the center was a pyramid. And he said, that pyramid is Mount Meru, and it's the center of the universe. So the whole mandala was a representation of the entire universe. And going up the mountain were just all these stripes of different color. And it was levels of human consciousness. And we reflected on that, how, I think I talked about this before, how in fact, Tibetan, when they meditate, they sit legs crossed and then put their arms on their knees. And they form a pyramid. They form a pyramid in their body. And then they can reflect how they're like that Mount Meru in the center of the universe, where they have every level of human consciousness within them, from the lowest to the highest. The lowest one was bright red. And my teacher said, those are murderers. That's as low as you can go in human consciousness, to take the life of another human being. Bright red, lowest. And then it goes up, and it goes up your body, the pyramid of your body. So I did meditate on that pyramid and that mandala. Very interesting. Go up you can look at it as 7 chakras, or all the energy centers of your body, and reflect on the energy in each one. And as you do, you bring your energy up higher and higher and higher till it gets in your heart, higher, 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 till it gets in your third eye, and then out your crown chakra. And you emerge with the whole universe in complete light. So that was one mandala meditation I did. But I didn't do many of them. And I don't think it's an essential part of my path at all. But I just wanted to include everything I did, because I have no idea what really works and what doesn't. All I know is my life totally transformed with all these tools, but I don't know which ones really worked at all. Maybe just a few of them. Who knows? Next session, we'll get into core belief process. I really think that core belief process really had an amazing impact on my life. I really don't know with this stuff how much that meditation on a mandala affected me. Though when I think about it, I think it really did affect me. I think it made me aware that there are all these levels of human consciousness, and you can imagine they arise through the pyramid of your body, if you will, even. You imagine the lowest centers based on total fear, total fear. No one murders another unless there's incredible anger, and all anger is based on fear. That's the lowest you can go in human consciousness. And in a way, it's centered in your body. When you have extreme fear, you can lose control of your sphincter muscle, because that's where fear really is centered. And then as you go up your body, you can go up through jealousy, envy, and then you get up to into your stomach. You get anxiety you can feel in your stomach. And let that go. Bring your consciousness up more and more until you get to your heart. And that's the center of your body. And as soon as you get into the love, the acceptance, the compassion, just even completely accepting what is, then you're in a higher state of consciousness. And then that opens up. Once you get into love and can focus on what you love to do, it opens up your voice, it opens up your inner vision, and it even unites you with the entire universe. And you realize the wonder of what is, that we aren't these little bodies, these little me's, as Eckhart says, the little me, thinking it's so separate from everyone else and from everything else. No, we realize we're a vital piece of this universe, and we're totally connected to everyone and everything else in it. So a good pyramid meditation can get you there, or a good just going up through the chakras can get you there. Again, I'm just offering all these alternatives. Take what works for you and leave the rest. There's plenty in it.